I bet you didn't know how quickly you can quit smoking with the right strategies. Hey there, if you're watching this, you've probably thought about quitting smoking. Maybe you've tried before, maybe this is your first attempt. Either way, I'm here to help you with some expert advice on how to quit smoking quickly. First things first, set a quit date. Choose a day within the next 2 weeks. This gives you enough time to prepare without losing motivation. Mark it on your calendar and tell your friends and family for support. Next, get rid of all smoking-related items. Ashtrays, lighters, cigarettes, everything. Remove the temptation. Now let's talk about nicotine replacement therapy. Patches, gum, lozenges, these can help curb those intense cravings. Talk to your doctor about which option is best for you. Cravings will come, but they pass. Distract yourself with activities, go for a walk, drink water, chew gum. Keep your hands and mind busy. Another tip, practice deep breathing. When a craving hits, take a deep breath in, hold it, and then slowly exhale. Repeat until you feel calmer. Let's not forget about the power of support groups. Whether it's online forums or local meetings, connecting with others going through the same struggle can be incredibly empowering. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey, not a race. Celebrate small victories along the way. Every hour, every day without smoking is a win. You've got this. Take it one step at a time, and soon you'll be smoke-free. Good luck. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.